Tell me about a type of flooring that's trending and popular in architecture right now. For this year, 2025, where we are now, and also for next year, 2026, a flooring that's going to be a hit. Edipo Kleber recommends a different type of flooring. In fact, grab a pen and paper because this video is for you. It's quick, a very direct tip. For you who are researching a type of flooring to install in the outdoor area of your house. Did you get your pen and paper? Write this down. Fugê flooring or draining flooring. Okay, note these two names. Fugê flooring or draining flooring. It's a type of flooring made and prepared with natural stones mixed with a product called Hold Stone Pro, which is the resin. It's the glue that binds the stones together. Then you apply it to the floor with a simple trowel and also a straight edge to make it level. It turns out really nice. There are several colors, from yellow, brown, purple, black, gray, white, beige. There are many colors, so you can choose the color of the stone. When mixed with this product I'm telling you about, which is Hold Stone Pro, pay attention to what I'm going to tell you now. I received a lot of comments here like, give us tips about flooring, trends for next year, so I want to bring that to you. Here, it's on my Instagram and also right here on our YouTube channel. There are some videos where I've already shown you this type of flooring. Fugê flooring, permeable flooring. Yes, you can drive a car over it, no problem. It can handle it. It's made for outdoor areas. Yeah, like, can I use it around the pool? Can I? It has grip. It has abrasion, so you can walk on it even when the floor is wet with the stones damp. Yeah, like, can I use it around my garden? No problem, it's recommended for that situation, for the backyard, around the pool, the garage. It was made for the outdoor area of your house. So write down Fugê flooring or draining flooring, is that right? And to make your life easier, I'll leave the link down below in the description where you can buy this product. It's a kit that sells the resin, okay, Hold Stone Pro with the natural stones. Then you'll just choose the color and the quantity for you to apply, and the step-by-step process too. I've already shown here on the channel how to apply it, and especially on my Instagram, which has the same name, Arc7 Decorações. You can go there, or right here, there's a video teaching you the complete step-by-step on how to apply it, which is really easy. Okay guys, it's really easy, so here's my tip for you who want to decorate your house externally with a different kind of flooring. Like, I don't want porcelain tiles anymore. I don't want that traditional flooring we see everywhere. I want something different. Go with Fugê flooring. Go with permeable flooring. I'm sure you won't regret it and you'll thank me later, okay? The information is down below. Wherever you buy it, if you use the code ARC7, you'll still get a little discount, okay? Big hug.